Welcome to YouTube channel Lingaredi Chemistry JNE. All kinds. Previous entrance questions we are going to discuss now. What are the shapes of ethane and methane? Ethane and methane. See the options: tetrahedral and trigonal planar, linear and tetrahedral. What are the shapes of ethane and methane? First, you write the formulas. Ethane formula CH triple bond CH, methane carbon 4 hydrogens. What is the hybridization here? All 4 sigma bond, that means sp3. sp3 means tetrahedral. Here this carbon is connected with here one hydrogen with carbon 1 sigma bond. So 1 sigma plus 1 sigma, total 2 sigma bonds. 2 sigma bond means sp hybridization. sp hybridization means linear shape. Okay, so ethane is linear. This is the tetrahedral, linear tetrahedral. Next, the major organic compound formed by the correct reaction of 1,1,1 trichloroethane with silver powder. Okay, see the option. First, you write the reaction. 3 chlorines are there. Ethane, sorry, CH3. Yes, this one. So with silver powder, this reaction we learn preparation of alkynes. Preparation of alkynes. If you take silver here, 2 moles of compound, same, chlorine, 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 carbon here CH3. So these 6 chlorines and 6 moles of silver is releasing as silver chloride is the precipitation, then it is forming CH3, C triple bond C, CH3. Okay, alkyne preparation. So 1, 2, 3, 4 but2-ine or 2-butyne, silver powder. The reagent needs for converting this to this one. See, alkyne to alkene. See, catalytic hydrogenation, hydrogen Lindlar's catalyst, lithium liquid ammonia, lithium aluminum hydride. See here 4 reagents are there. These 2 can convert alkyne to alkene, but here trans position is there. Trans means that is liquid ammonia. This one is the trans is giving. This one is giving cis compound. Okay, this one is giving trans compound, this one is giving cis compound. So here it is trans compound, that's why your answer will be third. Hydrogenation can be controlled at the alkene stage by using Lindlar's catalyst. Trans alkene is produced by using the reagent liquid ammonia and lithium. What are Y and Z in the following reactions? Alkene, sodamide. What is the sodamide functioning? Dehydrohalogenation. Yes. Then reaction with Hg plus 2 and H plus means acidic medium. So Y and Z. First of all, Y is ethane is forming. So ethane may. So these 2 are there. In that again, next, see ethane formula you write it CH triple bond CH. So then hydrolysis there. Hydrolysis. 1 pi bond, 1 hydrogen and OH. Next, 1 more pi bond breaking, 1 hydrogen and 1 OH. 2 hydroxy groups on same carbon unstable, releasing 1 water molecule. Therefore CH3 C double bond OH is the answer. So ethanol. So second one is the correct option. You can see the mechanism here. Right. Next, 2-hexene gives a trans 2-hexene on treatment with, just now we discussed, same answer, liquid ammonia in the presence of lithium. Birch reagent, this is also known as Birch reagent. This one is Lindlar's. You have to know all the things. Lindlar's, it is giving cis compound. Which one of the following does not give precipitate with ammonical cuprous chloride? Ammonical cuprous chloride, this is also known as Tollens test. The question is asking do not give. Okay, be careful whenever incorrect questions, do not give. In that questions you have to carefully give the answer. Okay, so it is giving. So generally our conscious will give that, okay, Tollens test is giving, that's why we will take this answer. So we don't think about other options. But the question is asking here does not give. Does not give means it is giving, it's giving, this is not giving, so answer is second. Okay, all terminal alkynes are giving this test. This hydrogen is active hydrogen. Active hydrogen means more electronegative atom attached hydrogen is called active hydrogen. Okay, whenever active hydrogen is there, it is giving test. Treatment of Grignard reagent with propine produces. See the options. Yes, can you guess what is the Grignard reagent? RMgX, R minus MgX plus. So Grignard reagent, whenever it is react with active hydrogen, it is taking that hydrogen and forming alkanes. Okay, so here this hydrogen is, just now we discussed, this is the active hydrogen. So simply this hydrogen is taken by this R minus and forming that alkane. Okay, then what about the remaining? See, this is the minus, the MgX plus is attacking here. Okay, R minus and MgX plus. This minus is going to plus, this plus is going to at minus. So your answer will be fourth. See here, this hydrogen cutting here, this RMgX is the minus, this is the plus, this is the plus, this is the minus. These two are connecting and these two are connecting. Aqueous solution of an organic compound A on electrolysis liberate acetylene and carbon dioxide at anode. Okay, cold base electrolysis. Aqueous organic compound A, we don't know, but it is giving acetylene, CH triple bond CH is giving, as well carbon dioxide is giving. Generally carboxylates. So the answer would be CH double bond CH COO minus. This COO minus is releasing as CO2, then one more pi bond, new pi bond is coming here like this. So potassium, you have to know these common names. This is the succinic acid. Oh my such good apple. Oh my such good apple. This is the code word. Oxalic acid, malonic acid, succinic acid, glutaric acid, adipic acid. Okay, I am writing O my such good apple. So here O means oxalic acid, malonic acid, succinic acid, glutaric acid, and adipic acid. A carboxylic acid. How to remember? See, in between COOH and COOH, if there is no CH2 group, 0 CH2 group, 0, O is indicating like 0, oxalic acid. So then one CH2 is there, malonic acid, one CH2. कैसे? COOH, बीच में CH2 and COOH. This is malonic acid. If 2 CH2 groups are there, succinic. 3 CH3 groups are there, glutaric. 4 CH3 groups are there, adipic acid, like this. So here 2 groups are there, that is succinic. Two carbon groups, 2 carbons are there, succinic. So potassium succinate is your answer. You can see here, potassium succinate. Next, alkyne is there, Lindlar's catalyst and sodium liquid. Maximum यही question है. Reagent hardly 1 or 2 reagents are there. Based on this only so many questions are forming. Okay, alkynes. Lindlar's catalyst is giving cis, liquid ammonia is giving trans. Just so A and B. A is the trans, B is the cis. A molecule X has 4 sigma bonds formed by the overlap sp2 and s orbitals. 2. One sigma bond formed by sp2 and sp2 orbital. One pi bond formed by pz and pz orbitals. Which of the following is X? 4 sigma bonds formed by overlap of sp2 s. See, s orbital मतलब वो hydrogen है. How many hydrogen bonds are there? C bond H are there 4. Yes, 4. 4 CH bonds are there. This is sp2s. sp2 hybridization means this carbon has double bond like this. Okay, 1 2 3. This is only sp2 carbon. Okay, 4 sigma bonds means 2 carbons here also like this. It would be expectation. First point is telling like this. The second point, 1 sigma bond formed by sp2. Of course, this sigma is sp2. This is the sp2. Next point, the 1 pi bond is formed by pz and pz. Yes, this orbital is like this. This is the 1 pi bond, so partially overlapping. Okay, so your answer will be C2H4. C bonds are there, you can count it 1 2 3 4. 1 pi bond is there. This is the sp2 carbon, means sp2 1 sigma is there. This pi orbital kabhi bhi unhybridized orbitals are overlapping and forming pi bond. Which of the following not only decolorizes the alkaline potassium permanganate? Alkaline potassium permanganate is also known as Bayer's reagent. But also forms red precipitate with ammonical cuprous chloride. See here, only terminal alkynes are giving this test. Terminal alkynes, you see terminal alkyne, ये तो ईथेन है, नहीं होगा, मीथेन नहीं होगा, acetylene and ethylene also not giving the test, only acetylene will give the test. Then acetylene reaction with HCl is giving example of reaction. This is a very simple question. Just 2 molecules combining and forming 1 molecule means Addition reaction. Addition reaction, right. 1,2 dibromoethane react with alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH का functioning क्या है? Dehydrohalogenation, right. To yield a product X, hybridization state of the carbon present in X respectively are. Yes, you try it. Okay, I given the hint alcoholic KOH minus HX, then even I will write you reactant 1,2 dibromoethane. This is the ethane 1,2 dibromo. ठीक है, remaining are hydrogens, right. Now you tell me. So product कुछ होगा, वो product का hybridization पूछ रहे हैं. Yes, guess the answer. Done. Check your answers. Yes, p hybridization. Okay, here this bromine and this hydrogen removing and forming double bond. Then again here bromine and hydrogen is there, one more time it is forming C triple bond C. The following reaction is an example of alcoholic KOH. तो अभी तो डिस्कस किया. एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन होता है HBr डिहाइड्रो ब्रोमिनेशन, सब्स्टिट्यूशन डीब्रोमिनेशन. डीब्रोमिनेशन तो नहीं है. हाइड्रोजन एंड ब्रोमीन बोथ आर रिलीजिंग, दैट्स वाई D means elimination. Hydrogen and bromine releasing, so dehydrobromination, right. You can see the mechanism here. This is the reaction structure. Here this bromine left and one hydrogen also left. Here one hydrogen and this bromine, so dehydrohalogenation left. Next, what is the product when acetylene react with hypochlorous acid? You have to know that what is hypochlorous acid first of all. If you know the hypochlorous acid, then easily you can write HOCl is the right. Okay, in this HOCl, see here acetylene we are writing HOCl. This HOCl में OH is a minus, Cl is the plus. Okay, then एक जगह पे OH, दूसरा जगह पे chlorine. 2 times 2 pi bonds are there, so 2 times it will attack. So I will write here CH, one time chlorine here, one time OH here, already one hydrogen was there, then again chlorine, then again OH. See here 2 OH groups are unstable, removing one water molecule and forming aldehyde. Okay, answer is third. Which of these will not react with acetylene? Sodium hydroxide, ammonical silver nitrate and sodium HCl. So ammonical silver nitrate to terminal alkynes are giving the test, that is Tollens test. Tollens. As well it is also known as silver mirror test. Silver mirror test. Because silver is getting the precipitation there. Then sodium is the metal. This metal is reacting with active hydrogen, produces hydrogen gas. Even sodium react with HCl and producing hydrogen gas, like that. Here also producing hydrogen gas. HCl is just like water. It is addition reaction takes place. Suppose it's react with acetylene is giving 2 times addition. So hydrogen chlorine, previously one more hydrogen was there. So this is the 1,1 dichloroethane is forming. So the reaction sodium hydroxide is the answer, it cannot react. The reagent used for converting acetylene to oxalic acid, so what is the reagent? You can see that oxalic acid formula, you have to know that first of all. Oxalic acid formula is this one, just now we discussed. Oh my such good apple. See the solution here, what we are doing. See the solution, alkynes undergoing If you do that hydrolysis, what will happen? HC डबल बॉन्ड O, 2 pi bonds ब्रेक करना है, एक ऑक्सीजन जोड़ना है. Okay, this is the thing. If you do furtherly hydrolysis, it will be breakup. So acetic acid, ये भी तो नहीं होगा, ये भी तो नहीं होगा. Then chromium trioxide. Chromium trioxide is just allylic and benzylic position में वो carboxylic acid बनाते हैं. KMnO4 basic medium. Yes, KMnO4 is doing initially diols. Initially it is doing diols. Later, furtherly it's see here it is forming OH and OH. In case of alkene, it is doing diols. In case of alkene, it is giving CH2OH and CH2OH. Okay, so alkyne is there. So one more pi bond is there. So 2 times OH. 2 times OH is there. Then aldehydes banega initially. So the aldehyde in the presence of KMnO4, immediately it get oxidation and forming oxalic acid. The aldehyde group is very sensitive group. It cannot stop at aldehyde position. Okay, this aldehyde immediately converting into carboxylic acid. In the following reaction, what is X? See what we are doing? Hydrolysis. Just hydrolysis. See the solution. 2 times water molecule add करना है, बस H OH H OH. So these 2 OH groups are unstable. That's why water molecule releasing CH3 CH4. So this is the enol. I am writing again this CH2 double bond CHOH. Okay, so whenever this sigma bond is shifted here, this pi bond shifting here, so this hydrogen migrating to this carbon. So CH3C double bond H. Dash test is used for detecting unsaturation in hydrocarbons. Silver mirror, Lassane's carbylamine, Bayes test. What is the Bayes? Cold diluted alkaline KMnO4. Okay, whenever double bonds are there, pi bonds, diols are forming in case of alkene. In case of alkynes, it is forming carboxylic acids. Which of the following reacts with ammonical cuprous chloride? Terminal alkynes. So here terminal alkyne means acetylene is also. The number of sigma and pi bonds present in acetylene are respectively. It's a very simple question. Yes, if you know the structure of acetylene, you can write it. Yes, tell me how many sigma and how many pi bonds? 3 sigma, 2 pi bonds. 1, 2, 3. These 2 are pi bonds. This is also pi bond. This is also pi bond. The middle one is sigma. This is also sigma. This is also sigma. How many cyclic isomers are possible for C4H6? C4H6 cyclic isomers. You can write it 4 carbons like this. See here 2 hydrogens, 2 hydrogens, 1 hydrogen, 1 hydrogen. Total 4 carbons, 6 hydrogens are there. Next we can write like this also. You can count it here 3 plus 1, 4 hydrogens, 2 hydrogens, sorry, here 1 hydrogen, here also 1 hydrogen, because this carbon has already 3 bonds. 1, 2, 3 plus 3, total 6 hydrogens. And one more, this bond, pi bond, we can keep it here also. These 2 are different compounds, but in case of first compound, suppose if you keep the double bond here, sir, मैं इधर रखता हूँ, these both are equal, it's not different. So total is only 3. In the given reaction, so Hg plus means we are doing hydration, addition of water molecule. So A is, now the question is where the H and OH is attacking. If you know that, then you can answer it. So the benzyl carbocation is more stable, that's why the H will attack here, then carbocation is forming here, then OH is attacking on the benzyl carbon 2 times. So 2 OH groups are unstable, then removing water molecule and forming carbonyl group. The product Z of the following reaction, HBr, 2 times addition, yes, you guess it. What is the product? See, now the question is here where the hydrogen is attacking. हाइड्रोजन कहाँ ज़्यादा है उधर हाइड्रोजन अटैक होगा, मतलब हाइड्रोजन गोइंग हियर इन द टर्मिनल, ब्रोमीन इज गोइंग द मिडिल. व्हाट इज दैट? Markovnikov rule, according to Markovnikov rule. So your answer will be second. Yes, right. Okay, thank you.